not the next big hike that shapes outcomes, it's how small shifts affect your plan. We've seen interest rate changes influence sentiment in the market, like the cut that helped national values reach a record in March 2025. Even a small rise on a $700,000 loan can adjust monthly cash flow by hundreds. The difference is whether you're prepared with a plan or relying on hope. Perth values continued their steady climb through mid-2025. Waiting didn't make homes cheaper, understanding the trends made decisions clearer. The insight, knowing how small movements affect your strategy, allows you to act confidently rather than react unexpectedly. I'm Dev from PerthGrow. If you want grounded, practical insights for building wealth in WA, follow along. No fluff, just clarity.